In this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly add a transition to your videos in Canva. To do that, you want to go ahead and position your cursor in the middle between two videos. And here you will see the option with a plus appear. And you'll also find another button below it that says add transitions. You can click on that and it's going to pop up the transitions. And so you can easily go ahead and hover over any transition for it to basically try to show you what it will look like. And so once you see what it looks like, you can now go ahead and just drag it into your timeline. Or you can click on it and it's going to automatically add it for you. And so you can see right here that it adds transition for you. And you can play it and you will see that the transition is added. Now, if you want to make the transition longer or shorter, all you have to do is go ahead and click where the transition is, ensure that the transition is set. And so you'll be able to even click and change and it's going to activate it for you. Here you will look and you will find the transition duration. You can make it longer. And as you make it longer, you can realize that there's a blue section that appears and it's get wider. So the more you drag it out, the wider it gets. The more you drag it down, the less it gets. And so that's how you can easily change the transition time in your videos as well. And that's it.